Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy crypto on Revolut X app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. And subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what we're going to be doing is, first thing first, we're going to have to access our website, and we're going to go to access our browser, and we're going to tap on revolutx.com and revolut.com to explore the exchange, and tap on explore the exchange option at the bottom. Then we have to log in. You can log in with Revolut or log in with Revolut Business, depending on what Revolut account you have. Then once you're over there, you can easily initiate a market order, so to help you buy or sell crypto to the market's current best value price on Revolut exchange. Right, so a market order usually happens immediately as soon as you get in. A limit buy order will automatically purchase crypto at your preferred buy price if it's met over there. So what you're going to do is, once you have access, you're simply going to go ahead and initiate a market order, and it will simply initiate you some orders and purchase for you right there. So that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.